to our Born Again Naturals channel, and today we will be talking about making our licorice, turmeric, and rice soap. Before we begin, I wanted to show you some of the ingredients that are in our soaps. This is our turmeric powder, goat's milk, our ground rice, and oatmeal. In this other container would be our spice mix, ground oatmeal, goat's milk, our licorice root, and also some rice powder. Before we begin, we are definitely going to practice our safety steps. So I'll be putting my gloves on because these are super important. So I am back. So I'm wearing my goggles, my gloves, and long sleeve to prevent any splashing on my arm. So we'll be using these plastic PVC pipes as the mold for our soap, and we are going to be lining these with these Teflon liners, and this will make the soaps come out super easy from the pipes. And these Teflon liners are super important because they make unmolding a breeze with these circle or round soaps. So I'm going to make sure that all of the liners are opened properly and ensure that there's nothing overlapping, because then that creates lots of challenges. Okay, so everything looks nice and perfect. So you can get these PVC caps from any one of your plumbing stores. And we're going to be putting these on the ends of our PVC pipes so that the soap does not pour out of the mold. Now usually it's best to put your caps in before you put your liners. So in this bucket is our lye solution. I hope you can see it. And in the lye solution, we also have some sea moss. And here in this large bucket would be our oils and butters. So our standard mix of oils for our soaps is usually coconut oil, olive oil, palm oil, and this is a sustainable palm oil, and also castor oil. So let us begin. So before we begin, I am just going to blend our lye solution with sea moss to make sure everything is mixed properly, or thoroughly actually. And here we have this really cool funnel from soapequipment.com, and it's perfect for these Teflon liners. And here we have an extra bucket that we're going to use for when we separate our soap powder. So let us begin. So I'm just blending out our sea moss. The sea moss is actually soaked overnight and sprayed. And then I add the sea moss generally to our lye solution. So I'm going to gently pour the lye solution along the shaft of my stick blender, and this helps to reduce splashing. So we're just going to gently combine the lye solution with the oils to a really, really thin trace. And this is so that we can pour half of the solution in the second bucket, and we are going to be adding our additives because I want to create a gentle swirl pattern. So we're going to be adding our additive to the two separate containers. So we're just making sure that the lye is thoroughly combined into the oils. in one half we are going to be putting our turmeric mixture, and in the other half we are going to be putting our licorice mixture. And then I will be stirring both of these, and then we're going to do an in the pot swirl. So the licorice soap is super good. Licorice is known to help with hyperpigmentation, and this is just a fancy word for saying discolorations in the skin where the melanin is bunched up in areas that it should not be in. And the turmeric is great for inflammation, lightening spots. We also have oatmeal in this soap, and oatmeal is super soothing. And the goat's milk adds a beautiful silky feel to your skin. And we also have in here vitamin E, which is great for your skin. And the rice powder adds great microdermabrasion, or gentle exfoliation actually. So our turmeric solution looks combined really well. So we are going to be attempting an in the pot swirl. With our licorice and turmeric soap. And thick traces are really great for in the pot swirls, especially when you don't want the colors to mix, but it just gives you a shorter time to work with your batter because everything starts to accelerate so quickly. All right, so I think we've got most of it out of that container. And so we're just going to use a spatula and gently combine the two mixtures. And isn't that marbling gorgeous? Yeah, that is super beautiful. So now we are going to begin to put it into our pipes. And we're just going to use a spatula and push down any excess batter from there. And we are going to move the funnel over to the next pipe so everything is nice and neat. We're just going to shake this about a little bit so that it's nice and smooth on the top. Also tap it to get rid of any air. So here we are, we're back again, and all 6 of the pipes have been filled.
Well, there you have it, our turmeric, licorice, and rice soap. If you're interested in learning how we cut our soaps, find it in the description box below. And if you're interested in purchasing this soap from us, you can head on down to bornagainnaturals.com. Once again, guys, we appreciate you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, comment, and until next week, guys, take care.